Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your feng shui guru and paranormal expert. Horoscope, Taurus, April 20 to May 20. Today is May 11, 2024, Saturday. It's all about the Ace of One, giving us the beginning of time. Your first impression. You think about it and then you will execute it, or that plan being written out. Ang araw po natin ngayon ng horoscope ay Mayo 11, 2024, araw ng Sabado. May kinalaman sa alas de basto. May kinalaman din sa mga initiative or mga pinaplano mong gawin o nag-uumpisa ka pa lamang na magplano. Paggawa ng bucket list